Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make super thin, crispy and crunchy black rice dosa batter recipe. Black rice, also known as the forbidden rice, is a nutrient dense whole grain which you should be including in your diet, especially if you have health issues like thyroid, pcos, diabetes, or if you simply want to include some whole grains in your weight loss journey. I have already shared a detailed video on the health benefits of black rice. Please do check the video to understand more. Links will be updated below this video. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. Into a bowl, I'm adding in 1 cup of black rice. Into that, I'm adding in 1/3 cup of urad dal, 1 tablespoon methi seeds. Pour in some water. Rinse this a couple of times and then strain the water. Now once rinsed, add in some more water. Now let it soak for about 4 hours. So you need to soak it at least 4 hours to help it grind to a fine batter. So I'm going to keep this for 4 hours. So it's about 4 hours now and the rice and dal are soaked well. So I'm going to transfer this to my blender. Into this I'm adding in pink Himalayan salt as needed. 2 tablespoons cooked rice. I'm using Kerala Matta rice, which is also known as Kerala red rice. Kerala red rice has bran. So the brown specks which you see on the rice is actually the bran. So it has more fiber. However, you can use any variety of cooked rice in this recipe. Now, the reason why you need to add cooked rice is that it will help in the fermentation process. Instead of cooked rice, you can also add about 1/4 cup of soaked poha. Into this, I'm adding in 1 glass of water. And now I'm going to blend this really well. Pour the blended batter into a bowl. You can see that the batter is nicely blended. Cover the batter with a lid and let it rest for about 8 to 10 hours. Overnight will be ideal. So I'm actually making this at night for the next day's breakfast. Now another important thing is you should not close it with a tight lid. You should take care to use a loose fitting lid as we need some aeration to help with the fermentation process. The wild airborne yeast will help in the fermentation process. So try not to use a close, tight fitting lid. Make sure that it is a loose fitting lid like this. And the next day morning, the batter is nicely fermented. You can see how perfectly the batter has fermented. To make dosa, heat a cast iron tawa and grease it with gingerly oil. Once the tawa is heated, reduce the flame to the lowest and pour in 1.5 ladleful of the dosa batter. And spread it out as thinly as possible. Drizzle in a little bit of desi ghee. Desi ghee helps to assimilate fat soluble vitamins, so try not to omit a good source of healthy fat. If you're a vegan, you can use virgin coconut oil or any wood pressed oil which you can locally source from the place you live in. Once the side is roasted, carefully flip it over. And once this side is roasted well, you can turn off the flame. You can see how thin and crispy the dosa is. So I'm going to transfer it to a serving plate. See how thin and crispy this black rice dosa is. I'm serving the dosa with curry leaves chutney. I have already shared my version of this recipe. So this is an ideal side dish, especially for those living in PG hostels. I'm also serving some organic amla pickle, now for the chutney pudi, you need some virgin coconut oil or wood pressed coconut oil. So you just mix this up. And my healthy, crispy and tasty black rice dosa is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy black rice dosa recipe and let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.